Hello, everyone, and welcome to this episode. In this episode, we are going to see how to add a Cisco device and then to our box. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this episode. In this episode, we're going to see how to add a Cisco router to BackBox and perform automated configurations on the Cisco router directly from the BackBox. So without wasting much time, as discussed in the first video, this is just an overview of the server, the performance, and everything. And then you have the backup status. So first of all, without wasting much time, let's go to devices. And then for best practices, we can go to device groups. And then we will create a device because we will be adding more devices like Cisco, let's say MicroTik or whatever. So first of all, I'll add a new device group. So I'll call it Cisco. And the description will be for Cisco devices. And then I'll click on save. Have my device group saved. I'll go to IP devices. So now let's add our device. We click on add and device name, let's say CSR. (1000)V. The device IP address. So I have my lab over here, so we can get the device IP address over here. So I'll click on it and I'll paste it. So that's the device IP address. I have to format it. And the group is Cisco, and the agent is, so we can select agent for now. So let's scroll down and then let's go for next, and the vendor. So we have a lot of devices to choose from. We have Aruba, we have Cisco, we have a whole lot of devices to choose from to automate. That makes this server very powerful. So we will focus on Cisco for now. So I'll scroll and search for Cisco systems. Now select the product. The product they have a lot of products, okay? So let's select, this should be a router. And the version is Cisco iOS. Or else we can select XC or XR depending on the version. We can check from here, show version. So the show version shows that this is a Cisco Classic Cisco iOS running on this device. Good. So that's it over here, version 15.4 development software. So let's say iOS, and by default, I'm going to select SSH. And then we scroll down to next. And then I have a username defined on the node that is going to be used for the connection. So show run pipe section user name. So that's the user over here. Username Storm, and the privilege level is 15. So we go back to our server. The username is Storm, and then the secret, and there is no enabled password. Also, I have to configure this line VTY 0 4 transport input all, and login local. So we go back to our device. Port 22 for SSH. Click on next, enable intelligent checks, enable access, and then you can also choose the others. So now that we are done, what can we do? We can just do add and run device backup. So basically this will just add a device and automatically get a backup of the running configuration and other configuration files on the device. So let's check and see. So we can click here. Then we go to history. And as you can see, we are checking to see if there's any backup performed on the device. Unable to connection, reconnect. This has to do with my VMware. Let me pause the video and fix it, and I'll get back. Okay, so I had a few connection errors with my GNS3. Sorry, my VMware workstation. But then, as you can see, the connectivity is up, and then the backup is in progress. So we wait for a while, and also see what we have. So basically, that's how to add a device to BackBox. You go to groups, you create your groups, you come to all devices, and then you add devices over here. So we can also check if the backup is done. Let's see. History. Okay, so I don't want to waste much time. So basically, that's how to add device to BackBox server. And my next video, we'll work on backups and everything using the BackBox server. Thank you.